Ugh, this thing is so uncomfortable. It's just dust. How bad could it really be?
Jamie's story is more common than you might think. That dust he assumed wasn't a big deal turned out to be a serious issue. It was actually doing much more harm than he ever realized. Those tiny particles floating around in the air might not seem like much at first, but over time, they can really harm your lungs. You could end up dealing with a constant cough or, even worse, serious long-term health problems. This is why having a respirator in action is far more important than most people realize. I understand that respirators are not exactly enjoyable to wear. They can be uncomfortable and feel like an everyday inconvenience. However, they're the best protection you have against breathing in harmful particles. So, in this training, we'll discuss how to use a respirator properly, which types are best for certain situations, and why they're so essential. We'll also make sure to keep the information clear, practical, and aligned with OSHA's guidelines so that everything is easy to understand. After all, when it comes down to it, your health is the most important thing. So, shall we start and get into it?